Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove some object into the video with CapCut. So you already have this video and I want to try to remove this moon inside of this video. So you just need to tap into the clip and you just need to click on this button feature and just tap into the duplicate tools. Now I just need to go click it, and then we got the duplicated clip, and now we just need to make this duplicate clip become an overlay by clicking this overlay section. Now the next thing you need to do is just go drag this clip into the beginning of the clip so that they will have the same position for the duration. Now tap into the overlay clip again and just take a look on this bottom side, slide into the left side, and then you got the mask here. Then you just need to go click it. Now you just need to go click the shape that you want. I want to just use the rectangle and just place it into the nearest area with the object here. You can also adjust it for the size. Make sure that you cut the size that you want. Then you just need to drag it into the specific area that you want to isolate the area. Okay, I got this. Now you just need to go with this checklist button and drag the screen into the top side of the object that you want to remove, and here is the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.